Iran unveils world's first air defense boat capable of firing deadly missiles from its vertical launch system. Iran's second navy, under the IRGC, has developed the world's first very small air defense boat, amid rising concerns about Tehran's burgeoning military power that is seen as a threat by countries in the Persian Gulf and Israel. The development of a small defense boat is unique in its own right. This is the first of its kind vessel Iran has likely produced for domestic use by the Revolutionary Guard Corps Navy, according to a report by Naval Analyst and OSINT expert HI Sutton. Subsequently, a video surfaced on social media in which a now-up surface-to-air missile is released from the vertical launch system of the boat. According to military observers, this air defense boat was modified and converted from the British Blade Runner. This is due to the hull shape, which resembles the Blade Runner. The vessel is reportedly named the Zulfikar class, which is confusing as a host of other equipment in the Iranian military go by that name. Sutton believes that this small air defense boat has short-range surface-to-air missiles, likely the Nawab, as its primary armament. Last year, the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps (IRGC) Navy received 3 indigenously developed vessels equipped with sophisticated air defense systems. At the time, commander of the IRGC Navy, Rear Admiral Ali Reza Tangsir, claimed that the nation's new speedboats use cutting-edge technology produced by domestic firms to dodge hostile radar. Unlike other vessels equipped with cutting-edge missile defense systems to identify hostile targets, the Iranian Zulfikar air defense boat is more like Sea Mobile Air Defense System, like the Tor Air Defense System, according to Sutton. Further, military observers have noted that the boat has a multifunctional AESA radar. According to reports, the vertical launch system, VLS, is behind the cabin, and a sizable radome is over it. Whether this boat will be extensively used remains unknown, because only one has reportedly been constructed, although some small boats usually carry manpades. This is the first small boat with a complete surface-to-air missile system. It is pertinent to note that smaller boats are particularly susceptible to air assault. However, this is one of the many domestically produced innovative military equipment that has drawn global attention. This boat might be able to defend against short-range air attacks from a swarm of other vessels. This would become significant given that the global navies, including the United States, are also advancing work on unmanned surface vessels. In September last year, the Iranian Navy seized 2 U.S. Navy Saildrone Explorer unmanned surface vessels, USVs, in the Red Sea. It released them later when the U.S. dispatched 2 destroyers, the USS Nitze and USS Delbert D. Black, and 2 helicopters to secure their release. However, the incident gave the impression that the confrontation between the IRGC and rival navies could become more frequent with an enhanced Iranian naval presence in the region. Against that backdrop, developing a Sea Mobile Air Defense small boat could be an Iranian attempt at bolstering its defenses at sea. This is even more significant since Tehran is reeling under international sanctions aimed at curtailing its military development and nuclear program. However, despite the international sanction regime getting tighter, the West Asian country has taken gigantic leaps in military development. Thanks for watching.